Yeah, I shaved. Oh yeah. Stop walking, stop walking. Okay. Yeah. You should just put some vice grips on there and hold it.
Yeah.
No, I'm just kidding.
Yeah, my wife actually
Or someone
put all
kicked it.
this, tried to fix, so.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, is that glue?
Yeah, that's a glue.
Oh, I got
That's
you.
why.
Glue the shower together, okay.
Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back. It is Monday. I'm just waiting on the drywallers. They're gonna come sand this basement today. We're back in the basement, as you can see. So I'm just doing a few little things to prep. I'm gonna put that plastic door back up, kind of lock them in here. Yeah, I shaved. Oh yeah. I feel like a new man. Ciao. The dehumidifier is sitting at 39%, which is beautiful. So I'm gonna turn this guy off, the fan's off. I'm just gonna wait for them. I'm gonna get the rest of the stuff I need. I got some trim, some baseboard. I'm gonna put it outside the room here and wait for them to be done. When they're done, I'll get in here. I'm gonna prime everything. I just spoke with the homeowner. He's gonna paint when they're done that, and then I will start the floor and trim. So I'm gonna have another day off here, so, but we'll see how it goes. I actually have a job to do, so once I get this down, the drywallers are here. I'm gonna go do this small job. It's a hose spigot. I gotta replace that. I'm just gonna replace it with the same thing they have, and they have a tub faucet, a tub spout rather, that's broken. So I'm gonna try to fix it. If I can't fix it, then I'm just gonna replace it. Hey guys, all right, I just met the drywallers. They're down there doing their thing. I'm going to go to this other job. It's pretty close to the where I am, so I'm just pulling up to it now.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Good, thanks. How are you? Please.
So,
It's on my.
are you home all day?
Oh yeah, I am.
Yeah? Okay. You said you were waiting, but I was like, okay.
Oh no, I just have to go.
Let's take a
in
look on the
afternoon,
thing
so-
upstairs.
Sure.
It's upstairs?
Yeah, it's upstairs.
How are you?
How are you?
I'm okay.
So you.
Just so you know, I record all my videos, all my fixes. I don't record you guys, I just record the actual fix. So I have documentation. But I'm pretty sure.
This one.
Oh, perfect. Okay, that might be easy.
Yeah. So only that part which is broken.
Oh, okay. I
It's
got you.
working, but that top part is broken. So
All right, that'll be good. You should just put some vice grips on there and hold it.
yeah.
No, I'm just kidding. Okay, that'll be easy.
So we need to bring new one, right? This one?
Yeah, I have it.
Oh, you do have it? Then
I have it.
perfect. Yeah.
That thing that fell out, that's the replacement part. I have that exact piece.
Oh, okay, perfect. Then.
Yeah. This must have just got twisted off, and then
Yeah.
I see there's some white stuff in there, so it just had
Yeah, that
corrosion and.
Yeah, my wife actually
someone
put all
kicked it.
this, tried to fix. So
Yeah.
okay.
Oh, is that glue?
Yeah, that's a glue.
Oh, I got
That's
you.
why.
Glue the shower together, okay.
Yeah.
And then the faucet outside, I just want to see where it's leaking from.
So
But it's leaking from here, or is leaking from
Here,
the?
here.
Okay, so
Like
let's.
here actually. At this thread, somebody came earlier and he broke this thread.
Yeah, because there was another part on there, right? A brass
Right.
piece,
Yeah.
and he tried to twist it off.
I guess.
Yeah.
Because earlier there was a part, they tried to remove it and then maybe that time they broke like this thread.
Yeah. Okay. I have the exact same
So
spigot.
if we want to change this one,
Yeah,
can we do it?
you can. I have the exact same one. Let me see what I can do. Is your, you have a gate?
Yeah, we do have.
Okay.
Like I'll open from
For
that
this,
side,
I'll
that
just,
would be
yeah, I'll
better.
come that way for
Yeah,
this.
that'd be better.
Yeah, that was easier.
And then I'll finish up on the shower. Alright guys, so as you saw, they have some pretty crappy washers in there, and this isn't a big job at all. It's more of a maintenance thing. So what I have here is I have this little pack just from Home Depot, the replacement washers. I'm going to try this. If I can get one out. For the tub, I have the direct replacement for that. It's a Moen, so that'll replace it. That'll fix their problem with that diverter. All right, so I'm just going to take his out. I'll put mine in. Yeah, those threads are... The threads are pretty pooched. Let me get another wrench. Yeah, the threads, like you said, they're kind of
Yeah,
damaged.
that's
So,
kind of long.
you want me to just to replace this piece?
Yeah,
Okay.
that's better.
Yeah, I think so. I thought you had it leaking from here, but it wasn't. Because this comes off, right?
Yeah. No, she's turning it off.
Yep.
So it is leaking from here, right?
Well, I turned it a bit, that's why.
Okay.
But you have a different issue.
Okay. So need to change that one.
Yeah, this one doesn't do that. This way you just everything's new, I guess.
Yeah.
The house is new, but what are you gonna do?
You live in Brentford?
Yeah, I just live down the road. I live across the street from Timmy's.
Oh, okay.
I'm down on that area.
On the river, right?
Hmm?
Across the street on the river?
Like that main one. What is that, Conklin?
Yeah.
Yeah, just past Conklin.
Oh, okay.
Down there. I do a lot of stuff in this area for people.
Oh, very nice. So what else you do? Like you just plumbing?
I do all renovations. I also do property management for investors.
Uh-huh.
I manage the rental units and maintain them for them.
Wow. So
I also
how
do,
you
like right
charge
now
for
I'm
that?
doing a room for, I have a little basement job I'm doing.
So you
myself.
renovate basement as well?
Yeah, I do everything. I'll give you a card before I leave.
Yeah, please.
Licensed and insured. That's what you need.
Oh.
You don't want the fly-by-night guy that... I'm on Facebook, I have my own webpage. I'm a small company, right? I got myself and a helper,
Right.
but I use all the trades. When it comes to electrical, HVAC, whatever I don't do, then I'll get them to do.
Yeah, wherever required. But I was looking for like basement.
Yeah.
So that's why I just asked.
I do it. I hit the handle a little.
A little bit.
Yeah, it's fine. Let it cool down. You don't like red anyway, right?
No, it's fine. Unless it is broken, then that's the issue.
No. The flame just hit it and just
Yeah,
changed the
yeah.
color, that's all. Just gonna turn it on just a little, right? Not all the way.
No.
Okay. Little more.
Little more.
That's good. Just let it cool down. I forgot a rag in the truck. All right, turn it on.
Yeah. Full away turn kar do. Yes, she did.
All right, there's no leaks.
No.
It's good. And then we'll try to attach this guy. Should go on no problem. You keep giving me the wrong end. It's behind you over there. Do you have a sprayer? Do you have something to put on the end of that?
Yeah,
So we can stop the water?
अगर से लगा दे क्या ना अगर लगा दे
Pretty big. There you go.
No issue, right?
Yeah.
Perfect.
It's all good.
Yeah.
I just tightened it like a quarter turn with my
Right.
wrench. So if you want to take it off,
Yeah.
just use a little wrench and
Okay, nothing.
No.
Okay, no leak at all.
Look.
Nothing, zero. No leak, Joe.
Okay. And you want this on? Want it to be left on?
Yeah, she will do. So look at this.
Okay.
Huh?
I tighten this up a little bit just with my wrench.
Okay.
So if you want to take it off, you're going to need a wrench or something?
Yeah,
Unless you
no,
have strong hands, you can just probably turn it, but that shouldn't turn.
No, but it will be there only, so you
Yeah.
we don't need to. Whatever?
Okay?
मैंने कहा पहले fix कराई देंगे ना आप
Right.
अरे
Alright, guys.
so
One down.
ऊपर force पहला है ना
One to go.
ऊपर लगी जाए
Get it.
Have a patch.
Well, as I thought, it was easy peasy. I hit the handle with the flame for a second and it would change colors, but it was fine. It survived. All right, I'm gonna bring you inside to the tub shower thing. All right, I just have a direct replacement for this. This is the replacement. It's
Yeah.
exactly the same.
Yeah.
I have to.
It'll work.
It'll work. I just have to
Yeah.
get this thing on. Without stabbing myself. There you go.
Okay, so no issue, right? All good.
Nope. It's better though when you do shower, when you have this up,
Yeah.
it's better to turn this off first and take
Yeah.
the pressure away, and then hit that, because it's a lot lighter. Like it's less, there's less force here,
Yeah.
if the water's off. I've never seen one break there before though. It's weird. We should recock that.
The Empire have like not that great.
Oh, I know. I've owned 3 of them, and there's been problems.
Yeah. They make everything in rush, so.
All right, guys, that one's all done. I'm paid. I'm out of there. Drywallers are probably still there doing their thing, so I'll just what should I do? Maybe I'll do the drywall fix at my house. I can't really go back to the other house. I'm just there to make sure they get in, and also to clean up the mats, pick up the mats that I put down there. They're gonna be tracking all kinds of white stuff everywhere. I don't want to have the homeowner have to clean up my mess, right? So I'm gonna do that. I'll get set up to do that patch in my basement from the water meter, and yeah, see you guys then. Get it.